Wednesday's precise and important news. Maulavi Abdul Kabir appointed as the caretaker Prime Minister in the absence of Mullah Hassan Akhund. Zabiullah Mujahid, spokesman of Islamic Emirat of Afghanistan, has confirmed that Maulavi Abdul Kabir has been appointed as acting Prime Minister in the absence of Mullah Muhammad Hassan Akhund, who has taken ill. Mujahid added that the Prime Minister of the Islamic Emirat, Mullah Hassan Akhund, is in Kandahar for a short time for treatment and rest, so that the work does not face obstacles and delays. The political deputy of the Prime Minister, Honorable Maulavi Abdul Kabir, is carrying out the work as a caretaker. Minister Azizi and his delegation off to Tatarstan, Russia to participate in the three-day meeting. A delegation led by Nuruddin Azizi, acting Minister of Industry of the Islamic Emirat, has traveled to Tatarstan of Russia to participate in the three-day meeting between Russia and the Islamic world. More than 30,000 Afghan refugees have returned home in the past 2 years, with the advent of the Islamic Emirat's sovereignty and overall security in the country. More than 30,000 Afghan refugees have returned home in the past 2 years, with the advent of Islamic Emirat's sovereignty and overall security in the country. More than 32,000 refugee families have returned to the country through Torkham port in the past 2 years. Man rescued and 3 kidnappers killed in Panjshir. The Special Forces of the General Directorate of Intelligence rescued Jawad, a businessman who was abducted from Kabul about a month ago from the kidnappers. During the operation, 3 kidnappers named Wali, Akbar and Wes were killed by GDI forces in a clash.